Today on our 2015 Volkswagen Golf SportWagen, we're going to be doing a test fit on the Yakima JetStream TimberLine Tower roof rack system using part numbers Y00425 for the JetStream Crossbars and part number Y00147 for the TimberLine Towers. This quiet aerodynamic roof rack system is perfect for your Volkswagen Golf SportWagen. It's going to allow you to carry a wide variety of roof-mounted accessories, such as bike racks, kayak carriers, cargo baskets, and cargo boxes, and much more. It'll even accommodate your T-slot accessories. Some roof rack systems, the crossbar stops at the tower. With the overhang, it's going to allow us to maximize our carrying capacity. The heavy-duty towers are weather-resistant. They use a rubber-coated strap to hold it in place around the factory-raised rails. Since it's rubber-coated, we don't have to worry about scratching or harming the finish on our factory rails. When it's installed on our SportWagen, they're going to add about 3 inches to the roof. The towers hide our hardware so it can't be tampered with, and you even have the option to lock each one. And you can pick up the Yakima cores sold separately with part number Y07204. This Yakima roof rack system has a weight capacity of 165 pounds, though you'll want to be sure and check with your SportWagen's owner's manual to see if your roof can carry that much. It also features a limited lifetime warranty. Now that we've gone over the features, I'll go ahead and show you how to get them installed. Now this roof rack system is designed for your factory raised rails on your Volkswagen Golf SportWagen. I've already got the front one installed. The rear one installs the same way. Let's go ahead and show you how we did that. Now I've already got one TimberLine tower installed on my Crossbar. The other side installs the same way. Let's go ahead and show you how we did that. We'll start off on top of the TimberLine tower. We'll grab the plastic adapter, and we're going to click that into place. Make sure it's all the way in. Then we'll take our JetStream Crossbar adapter, and we're going to fit that over the top of the bolt in this direction. Then we're going to hold it in place and then turn it over. We'll make sure that our rubber strap is unhooked, and we're going to push it all the way forward. That way the bolt is sticking out the other end. By doing so, it's going to allow us to fit our tool into the hole on the bottom. Then we'll take our included tool, and we need to tighten that bolt down there. And that's going to hold our JetStream Crossbar adapter in place. And we'll tighten it down all the way. Now our tool has a unique feature to where it's going to click when it's properly torqued down. So what we want to do is we want to listen for 3 clicks. And that's how we know it's properly torqued. With our TimberLine tower properly assembled, this is what it should look like on top. Now we can move on to our JetStream Crossbar. We'll want to remove the end cap. And I've already got it turned upside down. What we want to do is slide our TimberLine tower into the channel here. And we need to make sure that the plastic portion and the metal adapter slide into it. Now in some cases, it may get caught up on the rubber seal here. No problem. Just push it down, and then we can slide it all the way on. Then we can just replace our end cap, and we're ready to set it in place on our factory raised rails. Now we want to set it in place to where the rolled portion of the crossbar is facing forward. And I'm going to set it in the general area to where it's going to work best with my accessories. So right around this location. Now we want to make sure that the tower is properly centered on top of our raised rails. There's a little indented line here, and we want to make sure that that's center on top on both sides, just like that. Now we also want to make sure that our bars are parallel with one another. So I'm going to take a measurement. I'm going to measure center on center and make sure it's the same for both sides. And again, I'm setting it up to where it's going to work best with my accessories. With both towers in place, we can now connect our rubber strap. So we can pull on the loop here, raise it up, and set it in place. Then I'll take that same included tool and tighten down the bolt here. And this is going to draw the strap up. Now we don't want to tighten it down all the way just yet, just get it nice and snug. Now that the strap is making contact underneath, I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. With the straps snug on both sides, let's go ahead and tighten them down the rest of the way. And again, with our tool, we're going to be listening for 3 clicks. Perfect. Now we can check for even bar overhang, and this is going to be the length that hangs over our towers. We need to make sure that it's even. So we can check both sides. Once both sides are the same, we can take our included tool once more and tighten down the bolt in the very center. And again, we're listening for 3 clicks. Finally, we're ready to put on our end caps and we're all set. With our roof rack system installed, our last step is to install a rubber strip underneath our JetStream crossbar. It's very easy to do. You just need to cut and trim around your tower and then push it in place. And this is going to help cut down on wind noise and drag. Now we can load up our favorite roof-mounted Yakima accessory and hit the road. And that's going to complete our test fit of the Yakima Roof Rack system on our 2015 Volkswagen Golf Sport.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.